predictability. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This old world.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning from the two biggest men in Sutton High. Today for lunch we have pancakes, hash browns, sausage patties, and strawberries. Yummy.
For general information, Mr. SHS is coming back, and the Student Council is organizing a Mr. SHS competition that is going to take place on Friday, March 25th from 5 to 8 p.m. Mr. SHS is a pageant competition open to high school boys. If any high school boys are interested in participating and want more information about the competition, they should see Mr. Stamos during advisory or after school. The sign-ups for contestants are on the Student Council Bulletin board. The deadline for signing up to be a contestant is Monday, March 14th.
The SHS Connections Group will be hosting the third annual Connections Conference on Friday, March 18th. We have over 600 students from Mass and Rhode Island coming to Sutton to attend workshops discussing issues of race, bias, gender, privilege, and more. If you are not part of Connections and would like to attend this incredible event, see Ms. Motyl-Szary to be added to this guest list.
Woo. There is a mandatory Connections meeting tomorrow, Tuesday, March 8th, to prepare for the conference.
Drama Club meets today after school in Mr. Loss's room. Be there.
Have you looked at the newspaper recently? Check out the latest stories, including getting to know our school resource officer and officer, Mr. Bertone.
Now over to Riley and Ava for the specialist special of all specials.
Hi everyone, it's me, Riley.
And me, Ava.
We're here to announce that yesterday was a very important day in history, marking the birth of a king.
We know what you're thinking. It's not Jesus and it's not Michael Jackson, but it's pretty close.
Whatever you're thinking, it's not that. We'll give you a little hint.
Sunday, March 6th is National Mr. Love Day. He was born and the whole world changed for the better. If you see
If you see Mr. Lev today, make sure you bow down to him and treat him like the king that he is and give him a big, happy, belated birthday.
We love you, Levski.
Back to you guys.
Thanks, guys.
Shout out me for taking that pic, by the way.
Athletics and Esports. Spring sports registration is now open through the Family ID website. Meet the Coach Night is Monday, March 14th at 7 p.m. in the cafeteria. It is highly recommended that you register for a sport even if you are unsure if you are playing. This will help the athletic office make sure you are cleared to play.
Girls lacrosse, Hopedale registration on Family ID and through Sutton Hopedale's Meet the Coach is Sunday, March 20th at 5 p.m. in their auditorium.
Ooh, not happening this week. Cool. Have a great day, Sutton High. Yeah.